Gaseous babies. It's a concern of all parents. Babies accumulate gas through mainly two ways. One is swallowing of air while crying and while feeding. That air gets trapped inside the stomach or the tummy. Second one is as a byproduct of the digestion, which accumulates inside the intestine. The air which is trapped inside the stomach usually escapes from above, and that is trapped inside the intestine escapes through below. So when air is too much accumulated inside the stomach, babies may become uncomfortable. So we can help them bring out the air. It's called burping. So technique number one, the most common one, putting the baby over the shoulder. The tummy close towards our body, head turned towards one side. It's always good to keep a small piece of cloth over the shoulder so that the spilling of milk doesn't spoil your cloth. Then pat the baby on the back for 3 to 5 minutes. Usually within that, you will hear a loud burping sound or multiple small burps. Sometimes you may not hear a burping sound at all, but still this will help to bring down the milk to the lower tract. Technique number two. The baby is placed on your lap, leaning forward, supporting the body and face by a U shape, 2 fingers on the neck and face together, and the palm and 3 fingers supporting the chest. The baby leaning a little bit forward, patting on the back. The third technique is placing the baby on your lap in prone position, the same way supporting the face and neck and the chest with your palm, placing the baby in prone position and patting on the back. Now technique number 4, which can be useful for babies with lesser weight. The baby is completely supported on the arm and forearm. The face and body supported as earlier with 2 fingers, and the chest and the rest of the part with palm and the 3 fingers placed like this on the arm and forearm, and then pat on the back. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you.